Welcome to the second film in our Flat Roofs series. In it, we take a closer look at the various functions that a flat roof has to perform. One of the key tasks of architectural elements is the creation of space. In this respect, a flat roof, when viewed from the inside, is no different to a ceiling. There is a difference, though, and it lies in the fact that a flat roof, unlike a ceiling, can be used to bring light into a building through openings. As the uppermost part of the uppermost interior space, a flat roof can play a significant role in the creation of an attractive architectural space. In terms of structural engineering and building physics, the characteristics of flat roofs are identical to those of pitched roofs. They both have to transfer building loads and traffic loads created by wind, snow, and roof access for living or simply for maintenance purposes. A flat roof must also provide protection against various types of precipitation and the sun. In winter, it must also help prevent cold from penetrating the building and minimize transmission heat loss. And of course, it goes without saying that a flat roof should be attractive. A flat roof is often referred to as the fifth facade of a building. To harmonize the flat roof of our Leipzig Provost Church in design terms with the building facade, we chose to clad the entire roof using offcuts of the Rochlitz porphyry used on the rest of the building. The characteristics of flat roofs also depend on their use. Unused roofs are not designed to accommodate access by a building's inhabitants, and users only step on it for inspections and maintenance to the structure of the building. This means that no full protection measures are required. Anyone working on the roof will be protected by a lifeline system. By contrast, the building we designed for the technical secondary school in the Austrian town of Feldkirch has an accessible flat roof in the form of a small sports pitch, as you can see from the photograph here. Due to the lack of available space, the sports pitch had to be accommodated on the roof of the sports hall, itself built into the slope to make the most of the site topography. The back of the stands was designed as a row of windows that let daylight into the sports hall. Under certain circumstances, flat roofs may need to take vehicular as well as pedestrian traffic, as is the case with car parks situated on the roofs of buildings. Flat roofs are very often greened to compensate for the area of soil sealed by the building and to create an improved microclimate. This is a strategy that we implemented at our first large-scale school construction project at Lerchenfeld School in Freising, Germany. There are two types of greening, extensive and intensive. Extensive roof greening describes a layer of vegetation that is approximately 5 centimeters thick with relatively low growth. Intensive greening, as you can see here at the school in Freising, offers a much thicker layer of vegetation and a higher plant height. Summary. Like pitched roofs, flat roofs are required to perform a number of functions. They must transfer both building loads and traffic loads and provide protection against various types of precipitation and the sun, as well as keeping heat transmission as low as possible. These functions also depend on the use of the roof. Roofs can be unused or require pedestrian or vehicular access. Our Flat Roofs series continues with film number 3, in which we consider why it is more difficult to provide a barrier against water than simply diverting it.